Hey, how you doing? Garage Door Mike, good morning. Still icy and snowy here. We had a little break of warm weather, but it got cold again. It's like 20 something. They say it feels like 16. I'm ready to call it quits on this winter, man. I had enough. Anyway, today we're going to show you bottom lock, keeper, bottom rubber, new cables. So this guy called us, this guy was referred by his cousin. He got a little box truck here too. They deliver furniture. This is kind of smart guy here. He puts all the carpeting down here, so everything's a little smoother on his deliveries. But he was complaining about the lock not sealing all the way, and it was missing the bottom retainer. So we put a little piece of bottom rubber on there. You don't care too much about the ends, so we had this laying around. We gave this to him, put a new keeper on it, and redid the lock. There we go. And now it don't bounce as much. I mean, it was, without that on there, you could really get the idea that whole half-inch thing was bouncing around. So we gave him a different keeper. The old one was destroyed, and we re-through bolted his lock. Here's his old one, just garbage. It's all just nasty. New cables, stainless for the outside. Stainless for the outside. And yeah. Oh, that was on there. Oh, that's great. This looks like piano wire. That cable. I don't know how that was even working. Oh my, look at that. It broke. That's why it was here, duh. Because it was broke, it wasn't working. Alright, I have not had coffee yet, okay? That's not mine right there, and that bag is not mine, that's someone else's, but that's the story, and I'm sticking to it, man. So we got this truck door, another one up and running from a referral. For all your truck door needs, Innovative 630. What's the number? Oh yeah, 2719343. www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Smash the subscribe button. Smash the like button. Drop a comment. Drop a like. A question will help you out any way you can. Thanks for watching our truck door video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.